Konnichiwa minasan, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Watashi wa Anupa BS. I've been studying Nihongo from the lockdown and currently pursuing my N3 at SNRC. The good thing about classes like SNRC is that there are a lot of other workshops conducted which introduce the students to various aspects of Japanese culture, such as its festivals, food and kanjis, along with preparation for the JLPT exams. Recently in January, I attended a Reading with the Native Sensei workshop. This workshop was very enriching as students also were allowed to participate in the reading along with the native sensei, and she introduced the students to various aspects of Japanese culture such as the Japanese food and the festivals, and it made it all the more enriching. This is what makes classes at SNRC more memorable and meaningful to the students. Looking forward to more such experiences. Thank you, Srividya Sensei. Thank you, SNRC. Arigato.